Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and thanks for joining me for Flock Tales. And today we're going to make the drink that cleans out the bar well. You just basically take all the clear liquors and pour them together with some lemon juice, sweet and sour, and Coke, and you have a Long Island iced tea, the drink that memories are lost from. So let's get started. This is like the easiest drink in the world to make, and that's the scariest part. It's 3/4 of an ounce of just about everything. You just build it in the glass. Now, you need triple sec, white rum, vodka, tequila, a blanco, gin. Traditionally, when I was back in the restaurant business in the early 2000s, and even before that, we'd splash a little Bacardi 151 on the top of this. Yeah, 75.5% alcohol. But they don't make that anymore. But if you want to give it that same flair, even though I actually have some 151, a little overproof rum will do the trick. You also need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. You need some cola. It honestly doesn't matter what kind. I've got a Diet Coke just because it was under the bar. It honestly doesn't matter. All it does is give it some color. 3/4 of an ounce of rum. 3/4 of an ounce of tequila. 3/4 of an ounce of vodka. 3/4 of an ounce of gin. 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You could also use sweet and sour mix in replace of the lemon juice and the simple syrup if you want to. I think this tastes good. Top it with some cola. Add in a straw, a lemon wheel, and then about 1/4 of an ounce is all you need of an overproof rum on the top, and top that with a little bit of ice. It's a Long Island iced tea. If that doesn't get you going, I don't know what will. Until next time, like, share, subscribe, and let me know if there's something you'd like me to make. Bill at KansasFlamingoChef.com. Have a great day.